In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your driver's side splash shield on your Mazda 3. It's located behind your front driver's side wheel. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take off our lug nuts. Make sure you have a good hand on it. All right, take your wheel off. All right, so we're going to take out these two bolts on the bottom to take off the side shield. I'm using a 10mm for ours, but it's obviously aftermarket. You might have an 8mm socket to use. All right, using a 10mm socket, we're going to take out these two bolts. All right, take out this push pin. We're going to use a Phillips head. You can use a screwdriver or a drill, whatever's easier for you. And then a flathead. Pull that out. And then you can take your shield off. All right, so you're gonna hold it up, find your center hole, and put your push pin in. And now you can put your two bolts. Put your wheel on. All right, so now we're going to snug up our lug nuts in a style-like pattern. I like to walk my first one on, like that. Now we're going to torque them. All right, we're going to torque our wheels with a 21mm socket at 85 foot-pounds. You're going to do it in a star-like pattern. And then I usually just go around and check one more time, especially if you had a few that were loose.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.